Here is a classic probability problem that trips up most students. A bag has 5 white balls, 7 black balls, and 4 red balls. That is 16 balls total. Now, what is the chance of pulling out one white ball? Easy, right? Most students stop there, but there are 5 parts to this problem. And the common mistake? Using simple counting when you need combinations. Before we solve anything, let's agree on the key idea. When you draw balls from a bag, the order does not matter. So we use combinations written as C of n, R. That means n things, choose R of them. The denominator is always C of 16, however many balls you are drawing. That is your total number of ways to pick from the bag. Part A. 1 white ball. We choose 1 ball from 5 white ones. C of 5, 1, which equals 5. Total ways to pick any one ball from 16. C of 16, 1, which equals 16. So the probability is 5 over 16. Part B. 2 white balls. Choose 2 from 5 white. C of 5, 2 equals 10. Total ways to pick any 2 from 16. C of 16, 2 equals 120. So probability is 10 over 120, which simplifies to 1 over 12. Part C. 3 white balls. Choose 3 from 5 white. C of 5, 3 equals 10. Total ways to pick any 3 from 16. C of 16, 3 equals 560. Probability is 10 over 560. Simplify. 1 over 56. Part D is where most students make the mistake. 1 ball of each color. So we are drawing 3 balls total. 1 white, 1 black, 1 red. The wrong move? Just writing C of 16, 3 on top too. That ignores the color restriction entirely. The right move? Multiply the choices for each color separately. C of 5, 1 times C of 7, 1 times C of 4, 1. That is 5 times 7 times 4, which is 140. Divide by C of 16, 3, which is 560. Answer: 140 over 560, which is 1 over 4. Part E is the big one. 1 white, 2 black, and 3 red balls. So we are drawing 6 balls total. Same idea. Multiply the combinations for each color. C of 5, 1 times C of 7, 2 times C of 4, 3. That is 5 times 21 times 4, which equals 420. Denominator, C of 16, 6, which is 8,008. So probability is 420 over 8,008. Simplify. 15 over 286. The big takeaway? When picking from groups, always multiply the combinations for each group separately on top. The denominator is always the total ways to pick that many balls from the whole bag. 1 bag, 5 questions, 1 idea. Combinations do the heavy lifting.